Welcome to this video study guide for SSLC Class 10 Maths, Chapter 1, Arithmetic Sequences. This guide covers key concepts, formulas, and board exam shortcuts to help you master this topic. What is a sequence? It is an ordered collection of numbers following a specific rule. We see these patterns in nature and mathematics, such as the sequence of odd numbers or perfect squares, often visualized through patterns like matchstick triangles. An arithmetic sequence is one where the difference between consecutive terms is constant. This constant is called the common difference, denoted by D. You calculate it by subtracting any term from the one that follows it. Arithmetic progressions are common in real life. Whether it is cumulative savings increasing by a set amount each week, or the uniform decrease in the widths of ladder rungs, these sequences help us model predictable growth or decline. Let's practice identifying them. A sequence is arithmetic if it has a constant common difference. If the difference between terms changes, as seen in the second example, it is not an arithmetic sequence. The nth term rule is your master formula. x_n equals dn plus fd. Here, d is the common difference, n is the position, and f is the first term. This allows you to find any term in the sequence. The leap method is a helpful way to find the difference between terms. Think of it like jumping upstairs. The difference between two terms is equal to the number of leaps or steps multiplied by the common difference. To solve problems where you know two terms, find the position difference, then the term difference. Divide the term difference by the position difference to find d, then use that to determine the first term. Remember the proportional change principle. The change in terms is directly proportional to the change in their positions. The ratio of the term difference to the position difference is always the constant common difference d. To verify if a number is a term in a sequence, use the divisibility test. Subtract the first term from your target number and divide by d. If the result is an integer, it is a term in the sequence. For sequences with an odd number of terms, you can find the sum quickly. Multiply the number of terms by the middle term. It's a great shortcut for the board exam. Let's apply these to geometry. If the angles of a pentagon are in an arithmetic sequence, use the sum of interior angles to find the middle term, and calculate the common difference to find each angle. Use the position sum equivalence rule to simplify complex problems. If the sum of positions is the same for two pairs of terms, the sum of those terms will also be identical. To summarize, use the common difference to check for arithmetic sequences, apply the general term formula for specific values, use the sum formula for totals, and find the number of terms when needed. Good luck with your studies.